So we definitely went the wrong way, but it's one of the most beautiful wrong ways we've ever been. Hi, we're Mike and Steph, a couple from the UK who earlier in 2021 quit our jobs, bought a camera and booked a one-way ticket to go travelling.
So far we've had an incredible time in Mexico and Guatemala, and now we're in the US as we embark on a road trip to as many national parks as possible.
Next up, arches. What does that say? Park full. Come back in 3 to 5 hours. Turn around ahead.
Oh dear. No arches for us.
I think what I read is that at about 8 AM, a lot of the trailheads are actually full.
Like the car park.
So we thought we'd rock up at 11:37, almost midday. They're actually turning people around. So it's not devastating for us because we planned in a couple rest days whilst we're here in MOAB and Arches. So it's fine. We will find something else to do and maybe come back later. We're probably going to explore MOAB a little bit more. It's such a cute town.
Brilliant! Relaxation!
Let's just say we have some pretty crazy things planned.
I think I do.
Yeah.
Let me look.
Thank you.
So we've got about half an hour for our riveting laundry to be done. So we're going to explore MOAB and have a look at some of these cool shops and get you some coffee.
I'm so excited, there's so many coffee shops.
So this morning we're up at 5 to try and go to Arches National Park again. We're not making any mistakes this time. We're going to make sure we actually get in the park, so we're going way earlier than we need to. In the end yesterday we ended up editing in the room for ages, and then we went for a lovely dinner at a place called Bangkok House 2. A nice little bit of sushi followed by Thai khao soi, a delightful kind of curry noodle dish, and Steph had some egg fried rice, and it was really, really nice.
It's delicious.
One of the most famous sights in all of Arches National Park / even America is the sunset view of Delicate Arch. It's also very busy because it is one of the most famous. So we're actually going to go at sunrise.
We should say we are up this early. I mean, the alarm was for 4:45 because we have to hike a little bit to the arch. It's not like a 5-minute walk, it's actually a 30-minute hike in the dark.
So we definitely went the wrong way, but it's one of the most beautiful wrong ways we've ever been. Now just working our way back down to go around that kind of high edge you just saw, so we can see the arch. Our secret plan was good. There's not that many people here. We've got a lovely little seat now where we're looking at the upcoming sunrise over there and the arch. This is our Delicate Arch setup. We've got cheese sandwiches on the go. We've got lots of people down there. We've got a little time lapse on the go. And we've got an arch to look at.
It really is brilliant. And we've got a lovely sunrise. That's a really nice cheese sandwich. And now I would like a second coffee.
So we were walking past and we saw this amazing photo opportunity. No one was there, everyone was walking past. We just took our pictures and now look, everyone is stopping here. We are officially influencers.
Of these 50 people here. Alright.
Alright.
We're back.
We're back in the car, heading now down to the window point. And the park is so busy now, that car park was completely full. Next up, we're heading to the Windows trailhead to see more arches.
There's a lot of phallic rock structures.
Next up for us, turret arch, south window, north window.
Right, we've just gone to great lengths to take a hopefully very cool picture through north window to see turret arch, and that is where Mike took the photo from. So that little escapade literally had us as local celebrities. People couldn't believe that we'd climbed over there, especially Mike sitting there on his big rock. Yeah.
It's really easy, but to everyone else,
it looked really difficult. With so many people just like taking photos of him and us over there.
I'm in loads of people's Christmas cards now.
Yep. Anyway, onwards to the next arch.
Can you go up there? Doesn't look very climbable.
It does not.
We might try. We're on the primitive trail now, windows in the background, so now we're off to the double arch. Make a double arch shape.
Double thumbs up. Woo! Oh, should that be our transition?
Bounce rock, or as we call it, the meatball, perched upon a little precipice. And he used to have a little guy called Chip Off the Old Block here, which sadly toppled in 1975. Very sad.
That's very sad.
So we called it the meatball, and now all we've been talking about all day since is Italian food. Yes. So I think we will next see you in a Italian restaurant.
Oh. I don't want to say it.
From one meatball to another.
We are at Passages, which was recommended to us by the lovely lady who sold me these trousers. Yeah, we were incredibly hungry because we did eat our breakfast sandwiches at like 6 AM. So yeah, we're going to enjoy MOAB for the afternoon and see more arches tomorrow.
Up to the three gossips on the left.
Very fun.
And to your right, the courthouse towers. What beautiful views at 7:30 AM.
Yeah, much better than yesterday when honestly we didn't know we were driving past any of this.
Yeah, we literally
Pitch
couldn't
dark.
see a single thing.
It's just not worth going in at 4:30 AM because it's pitch black. What's the point? Can't see anything. But I look bald in this cap. So we're on the Devil's Garden route, and basically you go along here and there's loads of different arches to see along the way. So what we thought we'd do, we're going to go along, we're going to rate each arch out of 10 in gloriousness and majesticness. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not going to sit on that. Okay, tunnel arch. I'm actually going to give this one 8 out of 10 because there's 2 for 1 and they look really smooth. Pine tree arch. This is incredible and beautiful. However, it would be 9 out of 10, but the name is stupid, so it's 8 out of 10. Just to explain, the name is stupid because there's no pine trees and it isn't shaped like a pine tree. And I don't really know why it's a pine tree arch. Right. Let me come closer. Landscape arch, very impressive. In 1991, a huge bit of rock fell and nearly crushed loads of hikers, so that's a nice bit of drama. I'm going to give this one a 9 out of 10. I did start tunnel arch far too high, so I'm going to downgrade that to a 6.8. Mule deer.
What?
That was the most elegant thing I've ever seen. Should I try and jump up?
Yeah, you do it now.
Partition arch. Incredible, again, window into the beyond. Amazing landscape views. 8.5 out of 10. Navajo arch, pretty nice, but you know, not spectacular. We were going to give it 5 out of 10, but then we saw this lovely, you can see a lovely green tree through the arch, so we gave it 6. Note to editor, I've been ruminating and I've changed my mind and I would like to change partition arch to actually a 9 out of 10. Maybe even, you know what, I think it was better than landscape arch.
It was an exceptional view.
9.5 out of 10. So there. Black arch, overlook, all the way over there. I'm gonna give this a 3 out of 10 because you can't really see it and it's not black. It's black behind it. I wanted a black arch, so here you go. Onwards. Hello. Double O arch, the big one at the end. really fun. 8 out of 10. Alright, we're on our way back now. We have decided to go the long way round. There's an extra loop of primitive, dangerous trails. And hopefully we're going to see maybe one more arch. So we've got a dark horse contender. This little guy, who we don't know what he is. He's just a little window. We're just gonna give him a bonus point for being there, being cute. I think we will officially name him Distant Small Window Arch. There's a private arch, who, you know, cute little guy, hidden away, private, as the name suggests. 4 out of 10. I'm going to give it. Okay, so we think this is the last arch that we are going to see. So the winner of Steffi's super cool Devil's Garden arch review is Partition Arch.
Congratulations to Partition Arch.
Very well deserved. We're going to make our way back. The next time you're going to see this face, it's hopefully going to be munching on some lunch. Bye! It's happened. My vision came true. I got food! So we are at ANTICA FORMA, which is fantastic already. Big congratulations again to Partition Arch for winning the Steffi's super cool Devil's Garden Arch review. Very well deserved. See you tomorrow.
Good afternoon. We've just spent the first half of our lovely day having a nice rest, catching up on editing, talking to friends, because we're going into the park later today for sunset, as well as to do some night photography.
Yep. But first we want to find some food, and more specifically we've heard there's a food truck park in MOAB, which sounds very enticing. Reminder for the future, for myself. Never ever order smoothie bowls. They are always so expensive and I can never finish them, and now I'm annoyingly full, but not entirely satisfied. So yeah, there you go. Those are my feelings. I'm not happy. I want some chicken nuggets.
Mine was good. So, next up we're going to the supermarket to get some provisions for our sundowners later. See you then. So we are back at Balanced Rock for sunset. We've been to the supermarket, we've picked up some snacks. So, we're here chilling, we've got our chairs, we're going to enjoy some dinner and just enjoy the sunset. One of the best things that we've had the last few days in Arches is the fact that we've overbooked the amount of days we needed here, so we've been really relaxed. We've got a day off tomorrow where we're not going to film anything, we're just going to enjoy the park by ourselves without the camera. And that's it for this video. So, enjoy the sunset. See you in the next one. Right, we're going to attempt some night photography. See ya.
No, I'm not going to sit on there.